All right, folks. Good morning. This is Matthew here with Best of Haiti with the States. What I have here for you today is 2,500 square meters of pure greenish land in Magayo's, Cape Haitian. Ça, c'est 2500 mètres carrés de terrain. Ou regardez l'eau après bien vête, en pile pied bois, en pile fleur, en pile zèbre. Bon li, regardez la mer. C'est la mer, regardez là. This is beach view. It's not exactly beach front because there is another land right in front of it, but this is beach view. This is one of the best land you can find in Magayo's, Cape Haitian. Magayo's, Cape Haitien. 2500 mètres carrés. 2,500 square meters of land for sale in Magayo's, Cape Haitian. This is ocean view. This is part of the land right here. Part of the land right here. When you turn around, see, this is the ocean. I'm turning around, making a circle, kind of like not a 360 degree, but a kind of like 180 degree. This is the ocean. So whatever property you build here, whether it's a hotel or resort, or your private property, your private house or mansion, this will be your view. Straight right here. This is the ocean. This is the Caribbean Sea. You're looking at right here. Guys, this is prime land. 2,500 square meters of pure greenish land for sale in Cape Haitian, Magayo's. This is Matthew Lewis with Best of Haiti with the States. I'm here in Cape Haitian right now. We are located in Cape Haitian and in Port-au-Prince, Pétionville. But I'm here right now from Pétionville directly to Cape Haitian to take these pictures and videos for you. Guys, this is it. If you're looking for a nice, beautiful land right next to the Caribbean Ocean, this is it, guys. Call us today. In fact, call us right now so we can show you this land. OCAP is one of the most, Cape Haitian is one of the most demanded areas in real estate in Haiti, guys. Peaceful. No trouble here. Peaceful living. Nice, beautiful. And prime land in Cape Haitian, Magayo's to be specific. This is the Caribbean Sea you're looking at right here, and this is the land. So it's not exactly ocean front, but it's ocean view, because right in front of it is a small piece of land in front of it. You'll be behind that property, but from every angle you'll see the ocean. This is ready, guys. On the bottom of this video, you will see our contact information, email, phone numbers, international and domestic, and Haiti and international, United States to be specific. Go ahead and give us a call, guys, and let us show you this land today. It's ready. Ciao. So, guys, the end of the land is right here. So this will still be your ocean view. It's not going to be ocean front because you will not be exactly, your part of the land doesn't end exactly in the ocean. It doesn't end exactly on the ocean, but this is where you end right here. So you will have ocean view. Guys, this will be your daily view right here for this property, for this piece of land, guys. This is the Caribbean Ocean, Caribbean Sea. Guys, contact us, guys. Let's make this happen. This is prime land and not too expensive right now. So get at it now.